Come on, buddy. You can do it.
Does he know it can go into his mouth?
Yeah. All right.
He's like, what?
His hand is so messy.
Look at that.
Ooh, yummy.
He hasn't tasted anything yet, has he?
No. He's getting it all over.
There you go.
Yeah, right.
It's like, this stuff is
Yummy,
good.
yum.
What is it?
Like, what is it? Whatever it is delicious.
All right.
Hi, Leck. Good job, bug. Okay, good job. Got an audience. Yeah, good boy. Good job.
He's like a boy.
Yeah, it's not gonna come off, buddy. Ah, nummy nums.
There we go.
Nummy nums. Nummy nums.
That's so
It's so messy.
his hands.
Where's the dog? I'm surprised the dog's not there trying to make
It's like one hand is super clean and the other is like full
Good
cake.
job. You like it? Nummy nums. Nummy nums. Mmm. You don't want it on there, do we? Yeah.
Oh boy.
What's it give it to you?
I'm gonna sit down.
Am I looking?
Hey, Rylan, is this Uncle Kevin's part in the movie?
What's this? Mmm. Nummy nums.
Why don't you take a spoon and see if he'll eat some?
Good job, bud.
Oh, there
Yeah,
you
good
go.
boy. Good job.
Yay, Kamin! Hey!
That is awesome. He's not too sure about that cake, is he? Oh, look at that.
You have to hang it 6 inches from the bottom.
I was like, Sarah, you grew.
Good nummy nummies. Good job, Kamin. Yay, Kamin. Yay, Kamin. Yay, Kamin.
Good job, bud. I bet Aunt Vita, or Cousin Vita.
Yes.
I bet Cousin Vita would help.
Ooh, nummy nums.
Can I mention myself? Yay.
Good job,
I
Bob.
give you the right amount.
Good job, Buggy.
What's it give you?
Let me show him. Oh, num, 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 num. Nummy, nummy, nums. Nummy, nummy, nums.
No, you gotta measure from the bottom of the floor and then
Good job, Bug.
we'll get it hung up after
Good isn't it?
Good job.
On the wrong side, too.
I'm almost 4 foot.